Good morning. I am Anshika reporting live from TAX for the special occasion of the Red Planet Day. Every year on 28th November, the world celebrates this day to honor the launch of NASA's Mariner 4 spacecraft, the first mission to successfully capture the images of the planet Mars.
Thank you, Anshika. Hello, everyone. I am Pavit. To continue the theme, Mars, popularly known as the Red Planet, continues to fascinate scientists around the globe. The reddish color of the planet comes from iron oxide present on its surface. For decades, Mars at the center of research to find signs of water and life. The Red Planet Day reminds us how far space exploration has come and how much is there to discover. It inspires young learners like us at Tech to dream big, think scientifically, and explore the unknown.
Absolutely. Over the years, several missions have unfolded the mysteries of planet Mars. They include NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance rovers, as well as India's proud achievements. Mars orbiter mission Mangalyaan. Their findings have given us about the Martian atmosphere, climate, and soil. This is the Red Planet Day.
Report from Tech.
Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.